In Chapter 5, Mentor will discuss methodology and algorithm for robust enterprise database engine development. Mentor has developed many plugins robust engines with version control. In the chapter, Mentor is showing examination workflow engine with BI reports and graphs. ICOM Methodology for enterprise software solution design. We are using ICOM Methodology for software development. November 11, 2020. White paper, version 2.5. ICOM Methodology. We are using ICOM Methodology for software development. We always use the ICOM methodology for defining business process flow. In this methodology, we have input, I, control, C, to input data, output, O, from the process as a printout, or / and output to the next, process, and data processing mechanism, M. ICOM methodology, we always define a chain of processes or sub-processes, and workflows are connected in a logical sequence, which gives a meaningful logic to provide results. Based on requirements, we configure the email or / and alerts to send to the authorized person / persons. The ICOM methodology we are also using for database schema design to database engine design. Based on ICOM methodology, we are designing database schema and reusable database engine / engines, which is a robust engine and cost-effective solution / solutions. I am depicting the following diagram, which is developed for organization structure configuration and system setup. The mature, robust engine / engines are designed and developed in the year 2015, and we have used the engine / engines for various projects for cost-effective solutions / solutions. In the example, we are explaining how we have designed the organization structure configuration and system setup and security. Refer to the below diagram, our Mentor domain. Organization structure configuration engine. Process A1, define administrator. Super administrator will define the administrator user ID and password. This is a reusable component in other projects as part of the database engine. Process A2, define organization structure. In this process, we are defining organization structure in the database. For example, 1. Organization name, address, etc. 2. Role and responsibility, 3. Users, operational level, middle management, and top management, and of user and role and responsibility. Process A3, define the geographical location of the organization. Process A4, in this process, we define departments, profit centers, and cost centers of the configured organization. Process A5, in this process, we map departments, profit centers, and cost centers with the locations. Process A6, in this process, we define the role and responsibility to run the organization efficiently at all levels. By defining all the above, processes A1 to A6 in the database using tables and constraints, indexes, sequences, Oracle database, views, functions, and procedures, the organization setup engine is in place as a reusable engine. The above reusable engine we have used in many enterprise projects, which is time-saving and bug-free. In our implementation strategy also we are using the same engine for organization setup. Engine documentation, we have functional and technical documents that are also in place with version control. The above concept we are using in our Mentor classes. System setup and security, the engine is coupled with the organization structure engine as shown in the diagram below. We have designed the system setup and security engine, which is a robust engine. In this engine, we are defining user interface programs in the database. Define a user with a user ID and password. After the configuration of the user, we map the user with the role. The advantage of the above concept is to get information about the role, user, and interface program. This concept will configure the user menu by the system based on the user ID and password. The system administrator can change the cross-functional role in the running system in the cloud. In the running system, in the cloud, the administrator can also upload the new programs, and a new version of the software at a convenient time and informing the end users about system downtime. Designing of integrated modules, mature concept, by using the coupled engines. Based on data flow and information flow within the organization across the globe, external data and information. We always design cross-functional integrated modules to manage the processes, role, user-wise. In the integrated modules, we define the cross-functional module options to run the process functions. Module options are mapped, with the UI, user interface programs, in the database which is configured by the system administrator. Programs can be of any level, top management, middle management, and operational level, to manage the business process functions. Advantages. Our mature, robust, and cost-effective organization setup software is developed based on the above concepts. Other points. Maximum use of the tested concept as it is or with re-engineering and version control. The user ID and password decide the location and menu options. Cross-functional module integration overview based on ICOM. Based on the ICOM, the methodology, we have developed the following software for organization setup. Thanks for watching the video. The mentor is confident that all the videos will help them. PK Suri. Consultant, mentor, and YouTuber.